Today we are actually going to discuss a very important topics and interesting topics, that is neighborhood analysis. Okay, so neighborhood explorer tools in ArcGIS Pro, which is given it here. Okay, so why we are actually using this tool? Okay, so it is actually useful for the spatial statistics, or actually the way of the looking at the data that are actually considered the physical space between the things. So it is actually saying that the things are actually closer together, are more connected than the things are far apart. Okay, so for example, if you are looking at the cost of the rent across the county, okay, so you might find it varies a lot. Okay, but within the city and the neighborhoods, the cost might be more similar. Okay, so this idea is actually help you to understand how the geography is actually affected the different situations. So neighborhood explorer tools in ArcGIS Pro, that will actually help you to understand this spatial relationships better. Okay, so it's let you see and adjust how the things are actually connected in the space. Okay, so these things are actually important for the task like analyzing the data, making the maps. With the neighborhood explorer tools, you can look at how the things are actually connected in the map. Okay, so it is adjust how the things are connected, like changing which the things are actually considering close together. So let's start how we're going to do that. So let's open the ArcGIS Pro and I just log in. So you just come to the our living atlas. So I'm just going to add a certain data of the population data of projection of 2020 and 11. So I will add this data sets. So let's this data will come. So once you will zoom it, okay, so you will get the data. So just wait for a few minutes, it is loading. So as you seen here, this data is actually loaded. Okay, so now what if you want to run the neighborhood analysis tool? So if you see here, we have this tool. Okay, like if you just close this, then if you come here in analysis tab, under this you have this neighborhood explorer tool. Okay, so this is the neighborhood explorer tool. So how you are going to feel this particular input. Okay, so in this, like in the unique id fields, you just simply drop down and select the object id. Okay, now the distance mode which I am going to select, before that I will going to use here as a fixed distance, which is equal weightage within the threshold distance. Okay, now the distance method which I will going to use here as a equivalent distance. Okay, and the distance band I am giving it here 100 kilometer. Okay, so I will just drop down and select it as a kilometer. Okay, so now this is fine. So let's run this and see how the results is actually coming. So let's wait for the results. So as you seen here, the results is little bit of it is came. So if I click in between, okay, so it will going to show the nearby routes. Okay, so like this way you can estimate estimate the things where it is actually nearby, what is the area of the central locations, how much the nearest neighborhood area is going to affect. So that much it will give you an idea from this particular analysis. Okay, so see here, from the central locations, wherever these areas will be there, so it is actually going to show you that information. Okay, so that's all, a very small video for today, but I hope this will be the very useful for those who are actually searching about this particular tool, which is known as a neighborhood explorer tools. So thank you very much all. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please share this video to the others, and please give comments. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.